So I was given some misinformation when I got my Terminator kit. It said that they did support variable valve timing. Evidently, they don't do that on the GM. They do that on the Hemi. So, and this is my Terminator squid that's hanging here. The optional fuel thing I won't be using because I don't need it. This I don't need it because I'm drive by wire, not drive by cable. This I evidently use this instead of the mass airflow. It's manifold air temp, which they're going to send me since they gave me misinformation. This one I evidently don't use either because I'm drive by wire. And of course, coolant temp sensor. Come on, focus. I gotta get another one because the one on the engine is broke. So for those of you thinking about the Terminator, you need to call them and talk to them. Of course, I had a Gen 4 engine. Gave me a little bit misinformation, but other than that, it's not a big hairy deal, other than the fact that I now have to do variable valve timing delete, which means replace the crank bolt, do all the variable valve timing delete stuff, and then put all this crap back together. Further, more money, more time, further delaying me putting this LY6 into my 97 Yukon. So that is all.